Hi everybody, welcome back to QWPS videos. Today, this is very fun because I'm doing a Q&A. Leave your questions down below and I talk to you all later. I'm a huge fan of Pokemon, that's all I want to say. So, yeah, that was my video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and comment for the questions. You can multiple questions. Or is it like 10 questions? I don't care. Or, sorry for the kids screaming there outside. My door is standing open and my cat Gizmo thinks, what are you doing there? But by the way, guys, stay possum and awesome. That rhymed. Lol. Okay. Bye.